Love is like a never-ending story that we have left untold. And as we grow, we live to let the story speak and unfold. Now I'm flying so that you will see how I'm strong enough for you. But if it's not enough for you, then tell me what I can do. Open the door, 'cause I will elevate for you. Open your mind, 'cause I wanna elevate. Come up above with you. If you set me free, then I will fall into the sky with you. If you let it grow, the tree will be here and it will be to feed you. And the fruits that I will bring will be from seeds that you planted too.